Alright, so this is our glowing Jell-O experiment. I need to get the Jell-O ready. So what I did, because I wanted to compare regular water and tonic water, is I just split a package of orange Jell-O, it doesn't matter what color you choose, into 2 bowls as equally as I could, so that the masses would be the same. And I'm going to start with regular water, so I'm just heating that up in the microwave right now until it's boiling, and I'm going to add you add 1 cup total to a pack of Jell-O, so I'm going to only add half a cup to 1 of hot water, and then another half a cup of cold water. Mix it first and then add the cold water. I'm going to do the same thing with the other one, but do tonic water. So half a cup of boiling tonic water, stir it around, and then add half a cup of regular tonic water. And then what you should do just to make the glowing effect the best is to put it in something clear, so glass or plastic, just so when we go to look at it with the black light, you can see it sort of from all angles versus just the top. So it just took 1.5 minutes in the microwave for the water to boil. So I'll add that, just really careful because it's boiling water obviously, to the Jell-O powder. By the way, my kids have never had Jell-O before. I feel like they have, but they don't remember. So they're like very fascinated to do this. It smells like oranges. So you just stir it around till it's all dissolved. And then I'm going to add in just a cup of cold water, and then we're going to let it set. It needs to set for about 4 hours. So now I'm doing the tonic water. Took a lot less time for it to bubble and boil. It's getting a lot foamier than the last one. So I'm just adding it a little bit slower. Stir until it's dissolved. A little bit more time for it to dissolve in the tonic water. When you use all tonic water, it won't taste very good. So that's one of the reasons that I split it up too, is because my kids want to eat it, as well as we can compare it. So you can always do like half tonic water to dissolve it, and then regular water if you want it to be a little bit more tasty, but it won't glow as much because the tonic water has quinine in it that makes it glow. So obviously the more that you use, the more it will fluoresce and glow. So that's why we're doing 2 batches. We can compare, we can eat, it will be delicious. So you can see that the tonic water one is a little bubbly compared to the one with regular water. I'm just going to give it a stir, make sure it's all mixed, but it will have that little foam on top, which is okay. It will go away after some time. And then we wait about 4 hours for Jell-O to cook. I guess to cool. Okay, now it's time to test our Jell-O. I'm in my kids' rooms because it's the only one that has a blackout curtain to make the room dark. So this is the one with tonic water. This is the one with regular water. And in a second, we're going to turn off the lights, turn a black light on, and see what happens. And ready? Okay, bring yours close. Bring yours close. This one is glowing a little bit. It's hard to see. It's only glowing a tiny little bit. Didn't glow as much as I thought it would. Cool. That's cool. So just if you bring it really close, you can see that the one is sort of glowing green, and one is just a regular Jell-O color. So this one is fluorescing just a little bit.